Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of respiratory health with what I believe to be the best nebulizer for albuterol available, the Meowyn Ultrasonic Mesh Nebulizer. Now, if you or a loved one suffer from respiratory issues like asthma or COPD, you know how important it is to have a reliable nebulizer on hand. And let me tell you, the Meowyn nebulizer does not disappoint. Let's start with its high-efficiency nebulization. This nebulizer utilizes ultrasonic technology to create mist particles of less than 5 micrometers, allowing the medication to quickly reach the respiratory tract and lungs for optimal absorption. This means faster relief when you need it most. And check this out, it's USB-C rechargeable. Gone are the days of constantly replacing batteries or being tied to a wall outlet. With its built-in rechargeable battery, you can use it anywhere, anytime, without any hassle. Plus, it's super portable and easy to use. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you can simply toss it in your bag and take it with you wherever you need to be. And with its simple one-button operation, even kids can use it with ease. Another thing I love about the Meowyn nebulizer is that it's suitable for the whole family. It comes with 2 face masks, one small for children and one large for adults, as well as a mouthpiece, giving you options for how you want to inhale your medication. But perhaps the best part about the Meowyn nebulizer is its performance. It's quiet, efficient, and delivers a consistent mist every time, ensuring you get the relief you need without any hassle. And when it comes to maintenance, it's a breeze. The detachable parts are easily washable, making it hygienic for repeated use. So, if you're in the market for a reliable nebulizer that's convenient, efficient, and portable, look no further than the Meowyn Ultrasonic Mesh Nebulizer. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned for the next episode.